Hey guys, it's Tony. I thought I had to make a video to kind of answer a comment that I actually got on YouTube. And they actually said that if GameStop rallies to $100, possibly this week, maybe, that they're buying puts. Buying puts on GameStop when it touches $100 is quite honestly one of the stupidest things that you can probably do. You guys have to think about, like I've told you guys before, this is you shouldn't buy puts on a moving train. Think about it this way. GameStop is basically a million ton fucking train that got derailed from its tracks. It got derailed and you got halted, right? You don't want to stand in front of a train when it gets derailed, and that's exactly what just happened. It has momentum. It has enough momentum to keep moving for a very, very, very long time. Once it hits $100, GameStop is not gonna magically go back down to like $20. It might go back down like a couple percent, maybe like 20, 30%. But if you do not sell at that exact time, you're gonna get fucked, right? GameStop was supposed to go to $120 if there was no halt right here on Friday. That's exactly what was supposed to happen. It was easily going to break $100. The next sell block was not going. The next sell block wouldn't have happened until GameStop would have hit $85. So once we broke like around this 50-ish dollar mark, GameStop was going directly to $85. So minimum, I do think GameStop is going to $85 on Monday. More than likely, I think GameStop can easily hit over $100 once all this big money starts covering their short positions that they basically lost on Friday. I do think that the big short squeeze is gonna happen possibly Tuesday or Wednesday. Don't buy puts. I'm telling you guys right now, if GameStop hits $100, don't buy puts. There's a better chance of you making money after GameStop goes over $100 on calls than on puts. I'm telling you guys right now, don't try to stand in front of a moving train like that. Like wait till it dies down and then you can buy puts. Not right now.